Hi everyone, I'm back to talk more about the predicate expander how. We're working on using the word how to make our sentences more descriptive and tell us about the action. And so far we've really worked on ly. Well, now that you guys are getting so good at speaking and writing these ly adverbs in our sentences, we're going to try another type of how. It's our starter word, like. And when we use this, it's actually called a simile. So when we say the girl ran like a cheetah, the girl ran like a cheetah, we're comparing her to a cheetah. So we're saying she was like a cheetah. What does that mean? It means she ran quickly or fast. So those are different ways that we can jazz up our sentences and make them more interesting. Let me give you another example. Maybe the kid jumps like a rabbit. Let's come back to our turtle friend. So I know turtles are slow, so maybe I'll say the man drives like a turtle. Now, if I want to go even further with the sentence, I can do my like and I can add a where. So to expand on this sentence, I might say, the man drives like a turtle when he's on his way to work, when he's on the road on his way to work, right? The where. Where is he? On the road on his way to work. Okay, so I think you get the idea of a simile. And now you need to practice. So I have a subject for you here. What might you call this subject? Fish, or you could call it Nemo, the proper noun. Okay, so let's give it a try. The fish, what do you want the action to be? Maybe swims, okay? The fish swims like what? What might you compare him to? The fish swims, well, if he swims really well, what's something else that swims well? I know, dolphins kind of jump up and out of the water. Maybe that's what this fish is doing. The fish swims like a dolphin. And then let's say where? In the Rockland Pond. Now let's mix it up. What if we changed our subject to Jessie? Jessie swims like a fish at the YMCA swim lesson. Okay, I want you to be practicing now similes. So you need to look at some pictures, or you could even use blocks that have words on them to give you some inspiration. If I pick one out, I picked out this word right here, mom. So maybe we would say the mom, and then we need an action. Let me pick out an action here. The mom, oh, here's an action, draws. The mom draws like Pablo Picasso in her art studio at home. Have some fun trying to make a sentence that follows all of these steps. Pause here and spend a lot of time on this in class, my friends. And then I will come back with another video of our other how words with and without.